Dumalo si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa 2024 National Employment Summit para sa pagbuo ng trabaho para sa Bayan Plan na inaasahang makakapagbigay ng 3 milyong dekalidad na trabaho pagdating ng 2028.
Beyond generating employment, though, what we want to achieve is creating quality jobs with special emphasis on ensuring workers' welfare, empowerment, competitiveness, and security in all sectors of our labor sector.
Mensahe naman ng Pangulo para sa mga manggagawang Pilipino na linangin pa ang kanilang mga kakayahan para na rin sa kanilang sariling pag-unlad kasabay ng pag-angat ng ekonomiya ng bansa.
To our workers, I urge all of you to continue honing your skills and competencies to be ready for the exciting employment opportunities that lie ahead of us. We in government will support this effort and provide that upskilling and reskilling, as we are now referring to it, so that we are competitive not only in the local job market, but also in the international labor markets.
Para sa iba pang mga balita at impormasyon, manatiling nakatutok, tapat sa Pag-uulat, Radyo Pilipinas.